Could you share with me how was your experience to work with me?
Okay, so my experience with you was, I think, great. I mean, you helped me a lot because I had a lot of other work on my hands, and the tracking setup needs to be done punctually. So yeah, I really appreciate your help and your expertise, and that you've been waiting for my developer and gave me all the information I need to pass down to my developer to this project be done correctly.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So how about you?
I'm doing good, thank you. I had the troubles with the developer, obviously, but is it working like right now?
Yeah, it is working. Yeah. Okay.
So
Now
it's nice. Yep.
I want to share my screen and I want to show you our setup is working or not. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. This is our Google Tag Manager web container, and I already implement Facebook pixel, Google Analytics 4, and Google Ads conversion tracking. And only Facebook pixel, we are installed the browser side tracking only for Facebook, and other Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads conversion tracking, we are sending every data on our Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads as a server side. Okay.
Okay, so hang on. Go back. Okay, this is for server side. Okay, everything is server side. Okay.
Yeah, this one is for server side, and this one is for only for Meta, big pixel, only browser side. And this one is Google Ads. Also here have Meta, GA4, and Google Ads. And we are receiving every data from our server, and we are collecting every data and sending this data. Like this our only for GA4, and this is our only for Facebook, like conversion API, and this one is our Google Ads conversion tracking, like purchase, checkout, and add to cart. This one.
Okay.
Oh, we are sending every data from our server, conversion API.
Okay, so
Google Analytics,
the Google is getting Google Analytics is getting server side data.
yeah.
Google Ads too and Meta too.
Yes.
Okay, there's Google Analytics. Okay. There is Google Ads, okay, and there is Meta, okay. I see.
Okay. So right now I need to test our events. It is working or not. So first of all, we need to preview our server container, and yeah, of course, we need to open our Facebook event manager here, and I will give my website URL. Also, we can open our analytics for debug mode. Okay. Yeah, this is our website. And okay, if I check our PageView helper, yeah, this is our events, PageView events is fire. If I check our server, yeah, you can see this is our PageView events. And we are sending this PageView events our like this Meta conversion API, and this is our Google Analytics 4. Okay, and we are not sending these PageView events on our Google Ads because our Google Ads here only mandatory. This sends a participant and add to cart and checkout. That's why we are sending only these PageView events on our Meta. So if I check our Meta conversion API, then we are sending these PageView events. Like event name is PageView. We are sending event ID, sorry, this is our event ID for 𝗕𝗵𝗴𝗃. Okay, if I check this is event ID 3393. Okay, this is our user data like IP address, user agent.
Yep.
This one is external ID, ABP, and this is our ABP cookie, right? But when anyone land our website watching any ads, that times the Facebook automatically add
Yep. Yeah.
𝗃𝗵𝗴𝗃, right? This is our product, right? So if I go to our event manager here, you can see this is our view content events from our server like this. If I check this event ID, and this is our server event ID, and this is our browser event ID, and both are the same, right? That's when it will be
Yeah.
deduplicated. And
Okay.
also we are sending some product information like value, currency, content IDs, content type,
Okay.
content name, content context. This is our array. Under the content side, we are sending item ID, item price, quantity, and these are our quantity,
Okay.
like num items. Also, we are sending this user data like here, external ID, browser ID, IP address, and user agent. Okay, this type of information we need to send our Meta. So this our view content is working. Now I will view a product. Sorry, I click on add to cart, like on two product or three product. Okay, then click on add to cart. Okay, also we need to check our view content events on our Google Analytics 4. Okay, we will see every data from on the here, like real time overview here. Okay.
Yep.
So yeah, go to website and I already click on add to cart button and it is working. If I check our add to cart events, this event ID is 5711. Also our server. This is our add to cart, and add to cart events is working for Google Ads conversion tracking, like Meta conversion API, and also Google Analytics 4. And yeah, you can see this is our success. First status is success. Also our Google Analytics 4. We are sending some events like event name is add to cart. Also here we are sending user data, also our product data like customer data, currency value, content IDs, content name, content type, contents, and every
Yep.
data. Our num items like quantities 3. Okay, it's working. Also, our event ID, you can see for the duplicate 5711. That means it's okay. And this is our add to cart from browser, and this one is from server, maybe. Oh, no, this one. Your website have some customer. Yeah, maybe 5177. Yeah, this one. Yes. Or yeah, this one is right. You can see this our num item is 3. Also, this num items is 3. Okay.
Yeah, okay, and the event ID matches on both.
Yeah. Also, here I have
Okay.
all the parameters. And that's when our add to cart is okay, good. Okay, go to checkout page.
Yep.
Okay, now I
Not
enter
working.
checkout events. Okay. Here. Okay, this is our initial checkout. Also, we are sending like all the product information here. Also, our event ID is 5166. If I check our server, here checkout is working. Google Ads conversion tracking, Facebook like Meta conversion API, and Google Analytics 4. If I check our Facebook event manager, here this is our checkout events from our browser. And yeah, you can see this is our event ID is 5166.
Yep.
This one is correct, but we need to waiting. We need to waiting sometimes here for our server side like server side events. Then just a second. Okay, yeah, you can see these are our server side events. Right? This then event ID is
Yeah, I see. Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's mean it is also our checkout event is good. Now, okay. Right now no need to use this coupon, right? Because I'm select this price. And if I go to our at shipping info, also we are sending some events. This is our add payment info, right? Also, yeah, we can see this is our add shipping info and add payment info. We are sending all of these events like add shipping info for our Google Analytics 4, this one, and add payment info also working for Google Analytics 4 because we don't need to send these events on our Google Ads conversion or Meta Ads.
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah,
right?
yep.
We are using this one only for GA4, and yeah, okay, yeah, maybe from the mid session start. Yeah, you can see this add payment info, all the 1% right
Yeah,
now.
I see. Okay.
Purchase also right now 1. Okay. So now I had to make a purchase. Oh, just I click on here. Yeah, our purchase is done. Now we can check our test event here. Purchase events. Okay, be right here. View like this product information. This one we just check event ID from here. 6186. Okay. If I check our server, you can see this is our purchase. This purchase is working for Meta conversion API, Google Ads conversion, and GA4. Google Analytics 4. This one. If I check our Meta, event name is purchase, like this event time, event ID, and everything here. And here you can see like user underscore data. We are sending like client ID, user agent. We are sending this one. Also, we are sending this email, like email, phone number, first name, last
Yep. Nice.
strategy code, country, external ID, APP, every data here.
Yeah, it's all hashed. Yep.
Yeah. So this is our product informations. Yeah, this one also is working. If I check our Facebook event manager, then yeah, I'm able to see this purchase event from our browser, right? We are sending like our event ID 6186 from our browser event ID. We need to waiting sometimes for our purchase event. Yeah, here I have all the product information. Value currency, content IDs, content type, content name. Okay. Okay, this is our purchase event from server. Okay. Then you can see we are sending all the product event ID like event ID 6186. It's good. Value, currency, every product informations working very well. Also, you can see this is our user data key like country, city,
Yep.
email, external ID, browser ID, and first name, IP address, last name, phone number, state, user agent, and zip code. Okay, that's mean our server side and browser side. It is working very well from our website, and so we are connected to this one very well. So yeah, this is our setup, and yeah, we are complete our setups like Facebook pixel and information API, also our 𝗀_4 and 𝗀_information tracking, and only Facebook pixel here have only browser side tracking, and others 𝗀_4, 𝗀_, and meta conversion API it's totally server side tracking. Yeah, this one.
Okay, I see. So it should be working, right?
Yeah,